Hello, my name is Bernd Seidenthal and I work for Ludeca Inc. in Miami, Florida. I would like to present to you our pulley alignment tool, the SHEAVEMASTER Greenline. This easy-to-use tool is shock-resistant, waterproof, and dust-proof to IP67 standards. The Greenline is compact and only weighs 1¼ pounds. It features a Class 2 visible laser beam suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. It is especially well suited for working outdoors in direct sunlight. The laser is permanently calibrated, requiring no adjustments in the field. The Greenline allows you to identify and correct all types of pulley or sprocket misalignment, offsets, angles, and twists. The Greenline is so easy to set up and operate, it will surprise you. Here, watch. Mount the Greenline on the smaller pulley, which can be as small as 2½ inches. Attach the 3 magnetic targets on the opposite pulley. Typically, the targets are mounted like this. Turn the laser on. Observe the green laser line and how it projects onto the 3 targets. Adjust your machine until the laser line disappears in the dark green line on all 3 targets. Your machines are quickly and easily aligned, and the long range of the laser allows for a one-man operation of the tool. To cope with offset pulleys or compensate for pulleys of different wall thicknesses, ask for our optional adjustable magnetic targets. Another option we have for indoor applications would be our SHEAVEMASTER, which is a red line laser. Your Greenline is only a click away. Visit us at ludeca.com. Thank you.